create a 2-3 minute high energy instrumental track in the style of pattern. SANDSTORM. Style, classic trance, Techno, festival, and club. Ready, Oculus speed and driving. Compound 3-6. That's 40 BPM. A bass supporting the synth. Steady hands and retentions. Beaty fills, rises, sweeps for tension. Initial pants, tension rises. Mind trance, waves, tension rises. Festival energy. Grit release out of the straighter tensing. Energetic, nostalgic trance vibe. Festival ready. Makes listeners move.